Hi guys, due to the coronavirus and the lockdown, a lot of uncertainty was happening around when the new batch will start, this and that at all the IIMs. So we have got this report from four of the main IIMs. So let's look at that. IIM Ahmedabad have confirmed that they will start the batch for the second year students from July first week. So July first week is expected date for the batch of second year because they're already in the college. For the new year first year students, the new batch will start by July last week. Normally the batch is starting in June. Normally all the IIMs batch start in June. This time we are expecting they will go to start in July last week. So almost one and a half month ka delay. IIM Calcutta have announced that they are going to start around 13th of April. They're going to start with a new batch for this academic year. And all of the IIMs are not talking about the online. They'll put more weightage to the online thing. IIM Kozhikode July end is the expected date for that. IIM Indore, they are planning for to start the batch in August. So most of the IIMs will start by July, August. This is the tentative date for them. IIM Bangalore have not yet announced. They will see if the lockdown is going to increase. Then they will decide when to announce the dates. IIM Jammu, on the other hand, is very bullish. They want to start the lectures online ASAP. They will be giving the provisional admission. In fact, most of the IIM are going to do that. Provisional admission to the final year students. For example, you are in BCom engineering final year, and obviously all depend upon if you pass or fail. So what they're going to do, they're going to give you a provisional admission that in case you pass your degree, you will be joining us. And if you fail there, obviously your admission will get cancelled. So that's the confirmation I have got from the main IIMs as per the article. So I also confirmed this thing from a couple of students of who are now going to go into second year. They have also confirmed that yes, this is the tentative date which colleges are deciding on. Obviously, if the lockdown is going to increase, other condition will come into effect. They might change, but this is a scenario as of now. So those who having uncertainty, kya hoega, kya nahi hoega, yes, your batch is starting by July, August. Yeah, and this also confirmed that now process is delayed by 1 month, June to July. I think CAT 2020 will not get postponed because this was one concern in everybody's mind, whether the lecture will be, whether the IIMs will postpone the CAT or not. I assume CAT will happen on time because the moment all the batches start, see, normally they start looking at all these things after the CAT batch is over, after the CAT admissions are over. So admissions will be over on time because everything is online, but batch starting might get delayed by a month or so. Yeah. So everything is happening. Most of them are talking about the online lecture. I've added the complete article in the description box link. You can check out the complete article about the admission process, new admission process at all the IIMs. Normally they start in June, but now they're going to start around July end most probably, or even August if the lockdown increases. If you've got this kind of information from other B schools, please do post in the comments so that we can check out how other colleges are performing. So anyone who is in first year, second year, please post about your dates, or if you have a friend who is in the college, please talk to him and ask him when is the expected date of start of the college. Yeah, all the best.